Suppose you want to add this mathematical equation in your Google quiz. So it is not possible to just copy and paste this equation in the Google quiz. To add the mathematical equation in Google quizzes, there are many add-ons available. Some are paid while some are free. So here we will be using add-on called Hypatia. I prefer Hypatia because it is free, and other important reason is writing equation in Hypatia is very similar to MS Word, and most of us are familiar with MS Word equations. So now let us see how to install this Hypatia. For that, first go to these three dots, click on it, scroll down, you will get add-ons here. Click on add-ons. Then here you can search, type here Hypatia. So this is the spelling Hypatia. Click on it. So since I have already installed this, so you can see here this is installed Hypatia. Otherwise you have to install it, follow the procedure what is appeared on your screen. So this Hypatia is useful for this app. You can see here it is written that this app is used for docs as well as forms and for slides. So we can use this Hypatia add-ons to add the mathematical equations. So first install this app from here, then click on this cross. Once you install this add-on, you can see this symbol. Click on this symbol. You can see Hypatia here. So click on Hypatia. So you can see the window something like this. So sometimes you may see the box like this where only help is written. Then what you need to do is simply close this and click on this refresh button on your page. Click on this refresh icon because sometimes it happens that the add-on is stuck somewhere and you have to again click on the Hypatia and then you can start your work. Now I have clicked on this refresh button. Now let us see what happens. Just click on these add-ons. Here you can get the list of add-ons you have installed. So click on Hypatia. You will get these three options: Insert, Edit Math, Mini Editor and Help. We will select the first one because all the options are available in first option. So I will click on this. Once you click on this, you will get the message like this: Welcome to Hypatia. Then you will get the procedure for inserting equations in your quiz. So you can read it in the beginning unless you are confident. Please don't click on this. Don't show again. Otherwise it will not appear again. So this is very important, how to insert the equation in your Google quiz. So read this and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, now this is the Hypatia editor, which is much similar to the word editor, word equation editor. Now suppose you want to write an equation. There are few options here. So let us see one by one. So click on this x square. So you can see here commonly used mathematical expressions, right? Like square root, d by dx, sine, cos, etc. All these mathematical symbols you can see here. Then if you click on this sign, you will get trigonometrical sine, cos, tan, etc. Then if you click on this plus minus, then you can get various mathematical symbols which we can use in mathematical expressions. If you click on this pi symbol, then you can see here various Greek notations available here, alpha, beta, gamma, etc. Then click on this arrow, then you can see here arrows and other symbols available to use in the mathematical equations. If you click on this, you can see the units for length, volume, time, etc. for area. So millimeter, centimeter, second, minute, etc. Then if you click on this, you can see various types of parentheses available to write the equation. Then if you click on these dots, you can see the matrices. So you can add the matrices using these available in the Hypatia. Then if you want to add some comment to your equations, then you can add the comment using this. And suppose after writing the equation, if you want to increase the font size, then you can increase the font size from here. So these are the various options available to write the equations in Hypatia. So let us write one equation. Let us try to write one equation using these symbols. Now let us try to write this equation dy by dx is equal to x sin y plus y sin x in Hypatia. Now let us see how to type it. So I want to type dy by dx. So click on this x square. So here we have this symbol. So you write here dy by dx is equal to x sin y plus y sin x. So this is how we can type the equation in Hypatia. Now let us see how we can take this equation into our Google quiz. So to insert this equation in Google quiz, you have to click on this create link here, create link button. Just click on it. You will get one link here. So what you have to do, you have to click on Control C. So just copy this, or you right click it and copy, or Control C. So link successfully copied to clipboard. Use insert image. So let us insert this in our Google quiz. So click on this cross here, close this. And now I want to add that equation in my quiz. Suppose I want to add that equation in this question. So what I will do, I will click here, click on this symbol, then here click on by URL, and at this place you can click on paste. Right click and click on paste or Control V. So you can see this equation here. Then click on insert image. Once you click on insert image, this equation will be inserted in your question. In same way, if there are equations in your options, you can add from this. Click on image and then you can add these equations to your questions. So this is how we can use the Hypatia to add the mathematical equations in your Google quiz. Now we will see how to add the image in your Google quiz. Suppose this is the question where I want to add the image. So let us see how I can add the image to the question. Suppose I have a question which has image. Let us see the question. Refer the figure to answer the question. And now I want to add one figure here to answer the question, and then I will give the options. So for that, I will click on this symbol. So click here and then browse. Then select that figure where it is and then open. Once you open it, it will be inserted in the question. So you can resize this as per your requirement, and then you can add the question, modify the questions, and then you can add the options for this. You can give the marks here and make it required. So this is how we can add graphs or the sketches in your Google quiz. So Hypatia is a very useful add-on to set the question papers having mathematical expressions. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then please share it. Subscribe to my channel to stay connected. Thank you.